Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back by a brand new video. Today we are going to make a beat in the style of ECCO2K, BLADEE and THAIBOY Digital Western Union. Western Union is produced by the one and only whitearmor. So let's get it, man. Let's get it. Start this one off, I will set the BPM to 148 and let's grab a piano to start writing a chord progression. Western Union is an A major, so we will stay in a major scale. So let's get it, man. This is the chord progression that we're gonna use. I will put the notes of the chords a little bit closer together. I will put it one octave down and we're gonna write the melody on top of it. The melody is also playing with the ninth. For this chord is that the B. So if you finish off the chord, that's the seventh and the B will be the ninth. You can see that in these blank spaces. So you have 3 here, 2 here, and then 3 again, and then 2. This is being the seventh and this is the ninth. So you can also use those inside of your melody. And for a melody like Western Union, we want to have a lot of these two notes together to create some sort of rhythm. And I also put the root notes of our chords down here. That will become our bass later. For the sound, I will just head into Serum and we're gonna make a very easy patch. It won't take too long. I will set oscillator A to basic shapes, so it's this sine wave. Turn on oscillator B as well and put it to basic shapes. Also leave it at the sine wave. Put oscillator B 1 octave up and I will bring down the level of oscillator B and put this warp knob to FM from B. Put it at around 50%. For the envelope, I will give it a little bit of attack and bring down the sustain. I will give it some release, and for the decay, I will put it to around 500 milliseconds. For the effects, turn on the chorus, delay and reverb. For the chorus, put this low pass filter to around 5K and put the mix to around 30%. For the delay, put them both to 1.8. For the filter of the delay, make something like this and put the mix knob to around 40%. For the reverb, turn down the decay to around 2.5 seconds and put the mix knob to around 15. That is going to be our sound. All the sounds I make in these videos will become available for you guys in one of my subscriber booster boxes. I will release the next booster box at 2.5k subscribers. I saw that the majority of you guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so if you want the next booster box faster, make sure you hit that subscribe button. 2.5k subscribers and I will release a new booster box, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much. So I will clone this Serum and we're gonna make the counter melody. For that, I will just use one of my presets. I will go for the synth Castle. We're just gonna follow the chord progression again. So yeah. I will head into Serum one more time and we're gonna add the preset that we probably use in every single video, and that is this whitearmor bass. And for this one, we're just gonna follow the root notes of our chord progression. So I will just copy these bottom notes and paste them onto this Reese bass. So I think it's time for the drums. So that is the drum pattern that we're gonna use. I think it's time for the 808. I will go with this one. It's a pretty common 808. You should probably have it somewhere in your drum kits as well. For the pattern of the 808, I would just copy these notes of the Reese bass and paste them onto the 808. For the rhythm, I would just copy the kicks and paste them onto the sampler, so we kind of know where the kick hits. We were just kind of following the kick pattern, but I noticed in the original he sometimes put the 808 right before the kick. It's kind of cool to sometimes shift the 808 right in front of the kick, or maybe even behind it. That just all has to do with the bounce you want to create. I will sidechain the kick to the 808. How you do that is you select your kick, and then on your 808 track, you right click down here and then sidechain to this track. And then on here, I will add this RMSC plugin, and this plugin will cut out frequencies out of the 808 that are clashing with our kick. The only thing here on the processing tab is we gotta turn it on and select our kick as an input source. So now every time our kick plays, this plugin will cut out some frequencies out of the 808. So you get a clean and punchy low end. And right when the kicks come in, I want to add a crash. It kind of helps with the impact of the beat. I will add this one to it and put it really onto the background. And I think we should just add a clipper to it. And of course, I always like to try a different key. So I guess this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would appreciate it if you could leave a like, maybe subscribe. That is up to you. If you want the FLP, I will leave a link for it in the description down below. Other than that, it's been Thomas, man. Peace out.